Find features that distinguish it from other brands for AOBMAXET 1500 watts outdoor heater, and why you should choose, because it consists of the following features. Economical outdoor patio heater. AOBMAXET 1500 watt outdoor heater utilizes an advanced PTC ceramic element to provide 20% more efficient heating. It ensures a stable temp with minimal fluctuations, and with energy consumption 20% lower than ordinary heaters. Versatile 3 modes electric heater. Our greenhouse heater has 3 modes: 25 watt, natural air, 750 watt, low heat, 1500 watt, high heat, then turn the thermostat control knob to enjoy the warmth. Rapid heating. The powerful electric heater features PTC ceramic heating technology and a 2600 RPM high-speed fan that produces hot air in just 2 seconds. This efficient design ensures that the heat is evenly distributed throughout the max 215 square feet area. Safety patio heater. The surface of this portable patio heater is made of V0 flame retardant material. It has a built-in thermal overload protector that will auto-shuts off when the temp reaches 167 degrees Fahrenheit. The 4 non-slip feet can prevent tipping over. Compact size heater. This space heaters has a compact size. Equipped with a handle, it can be conveniently placed on tables, floors, or anywhere you need warmth. The 8 feet power cord and the heater's 0 to 90 degrees rotation capability provide more flexibility. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.